Well, hello there. Welcome back. It's a new year. We have a new set of curtains. And I'm so excited to welcome you all to a new year of Simply Local. And I want to know, how was your Christmas vacation or holidays? Let me know if you tried any of our recipes. Just put a little comment below. I would love to hear what you guys were up to over the whole season. But it's 2020. I know I have some New Year's resolutions, and if yours is to get in the kitchen more and to try new things, well, we have lots of great recipes in store for you to make you look like a chef no matter what, and things you can make on any budget super quickly, and it's always going to be delicious. So I'm grateful to have you all here. Let's jump right in and get started. Here in the Caribbean, we celebrate our rich and diverse heritage every day in every pot. The story of our shared experiences is told in every bite of our favorite dishes. Join us as we explore Caribbean cuisine, where every dish is simply local. I have a really great full meal recipe, and that is my oven-baked barbecue chicken. And now the way you could always make barbecue chicken different from anybody else's is by making your own sauce. And I'm telling you, it's not any more difficult than cutting open a bag of store-bought barbecue sauce, and you get to take all the credit. And even if you want to jazz it up with your favorite seasonings and your favorite spices, you can totally do that. So I'm going to jump right in, and the base for our barbecue sauce is tomato paste. So you probably see this in the grocery. It's not ketchup, it's not marinara sauce, but tomato paste. And if you taste it, it just has that rich tomato flavor. It's a bit acidic, but it has not much salt or any flavoring. So we really have to use this and jazz it up ourselves. So I'm gonna pour this right into a saucepan, and I have it on a medium flame. Truth be told, we've been waiting for this pan to get hot for a while. You know, all times it just gets super hot. It goes from 0 to 100 real quick, and that's what happened right here. So I'm just gonna heat this sauce up. Sometimes you see people just kind of throwing things into a cold bowl and just kind of mixing it without heating it, but it really allows some of the flavors to open up and permeate in that sauce. So I'm just gonna heat this up. And by the way, if you love the Simply Local and eatahfood channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Next, I'm going to add some sugar. I have some granulated sugar. Just gonna stir that right in. If you really like a sweet sauce, feel free to add more sugar. If you want to have like that little honey flavor, please add honey, whatever you want to do. So next here I have some paprika. I like a little kick. Y'all know me, if y'all have been watching this show for a while. Insert clip of me trying Murtani here.
That wasn't sure I should get out.
It's real hot, I'm telling you. But I love pepper. So I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika to get that kind of smokiness and that heat. And because this is oven-baked barbecue chicken, we're not getting any coals or any like wood chips flavor. So we really have to rely on the barbecue sauce to give us a lot of flavor. Next, I'm gonna add some dried thyme leaves. Just sprinkle that all in. And then here I have some onion powder. I'm just gonna put this right in. Stir this. It smells so good already. Garlic powder next. And then I'm going to add my secret ingredient, and that is soy sauce. All right, so I'm gonna turn this heat off and just stir all that in and all that together. So our sauce is going, and you see it's kind of tightened up a bit. So to loosen it up, I'm just gonna add some water, and I'm adding about a half a cup here. I'm just gonna stir it. And it kind of has that, you know, deep color that we know and love for barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. And I'm actually going to add a little bit more soy sauce as well. Just stir that in. Smelling like barbecue. So now we have our sauce. Let's move on to the chicken. So please just excuse the sauce stains on my shirt. I'm just christening it. It's part of the process. So we reached chicken time. I'm gonna drizzle some more Waitrose extra virgin olive oil right onto the chicken. And I'm just gonna toss it up a bit. So we have our chicken already seasoned. I will obviously link all the seasoning, my seasoning mix, on the website at eatahfoodtt.com, so you can make sure if you have no frame of reference for seasoning, you have something to follow. Solid seasoning guide. All right, so just tossing that up. So you just want to arrange your chicken, and we have like different pieces here. We have legs, thighs, a little breast. So I'm gonna throw these in the oven. I have it preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna leave these in for about 20 minutes, flip them over, do another 20 minutes, sauce these bad boys up, and then we're gonna see. So while our chicken is baking, we're gonna make a really quick and delicious macaroni salad. So here today I'm using the Cuisine elbow macaronis, and I have my pot of boiling water. Just gonna throw these in and give it a quick stir. And I'm just gonna allow this to boil until, you know, al dente plus. So you don't want it to be soft and mushy, but you also kind of want it to still have a bite as well. Okay, so we reached macaroni salad assembly time. We have our macaroni here, we drain it, we ran it under some cold water, and then let that strain off as well. And here we have our macaroni ready to go. And today we are using the Cuisine peas and carrots, as well as the Cuisine whole kernel corn, and that's gonna add, you know, little munchies and crunchies up in this macaroni salad. And we're gonna keep it fairly simple, very classic macaroni salad. So I have here a little bit of mustard, adds a little acidity. And then of course we have some mayo. Do y'all say mayonnaise or mayonnaise? Mayonnaise, yeah. Let me know in the comments. And then we have some minced garlic, and this is optional, but I like to add a little minced garlic. I like the garlic flavor. A little bit of black pepper. We have some sugar here. Just add a little bit. And I have some fresh chopped parsley. I like to see some more greens. Makes me feel like I'm being super healthy, you know? Everybody's dieting these days, whatever. So we're gonna add some Cuisine whole kernel corn. Such a pretty, bright color. Perfect lunchtime kind of food, you know? Perfect Sunday lunch. And then we have our peas and carrots as well. So I'm just gonna toss this up. And you probably noticed I didn't add any extra salt in here, and that is because the peas and carrots and the corn, keep in mind, they are sitting in like a salty water solution, and that's obviously for preservation purposes. And so we don't need to add too much salt. You don't want an overly salty macaroni salad. And then I didn't add any pepper sauce because it's up to you if you want to do that. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Emily, and I put pepper sauce on my macaroni salad. And let's just say I was sweating in the car. We'll just leave it at that. Perfect side for our oven baked barbecue chicken. Looks like glorious grilled chicken out here. It's time to put the barbecue into the oven baked barbecue chicken. And I'm gonna just generously baste each piece with some of our sauce. Nice and thick. Super, super simple. To me, oven baked barbecue chicken is just like the go-to, quick and easy kind of Sunday lunch, or even during the week, it's fine. It's so easy, it's delicious, everybody loves it. This recipe, if you were considering buying board food or just opting for fast food on a Sunday, if you have a little chicken in your fridge, have some seasoning, and I mean, everything here is pantry items. There's really no excuse, you know? It's real easy to throw a... Mom was the queen of oven barbecue chicken. My mom worked a lot, and on Sundays, we'd be like, Mommy, what's for lunch? Boom, barbecue chicken right there. And she likes to kind of have it like kind of sticky and extra sweet. So I did make mine a little sweet. My producer's like Ada's real sweet, but you know, sweetness loves sweetness, what can I say? So we're gonna throw this back into the oven. We have the broiler on. And please, guys, do not be afraid of your broiler. It's your friend. It really makes nice, delicious Maillard reaction and golden brownness happening. But you have to pay attention. Do not go and take a shower while you put this chicken in the broiler. Stand right beside it. Put a little time on your oven on your phone for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. It is the difference between having beautiful, crispy, glazed barbecue chicken and something that you forgot on your barbecue pit outside while you went to the grocery. So yes, just a note about that. So we're gonna put this in the broiler just for 1.5 minutes or so, and then it's gonna come out. It's gonna be sticky sweet, and we're gonna chow down with some macaroni salad. Y'all know I'm so excited. Let's just do this. All right, we have our beautiful oven-baked barbecue chicken here. Looks completely lacquered on, y'all. Kind of looks like tandoori, yeah? So we're gonna have that nice, like, sticky flavor. I'm so excited. And then we have our macaroni salad ready to go. But we have an empty plate. Time to fix that. So I'm gonna start with some of my macaroni salad. Y'all, Sunday lunch looking lit right now. And I am a legs and thighs kind of girl, no pun intended. Love it. So you could put a little tossed salad if you want, but I mean, let's be real. I'm just gonna toss that aside. Just kidding. Health. But for now, we just have our veggies and the peas and carrots and our corn. Let's slice right into this chicken. Gonna be bougie and use a knife and fork right now. It's real hot, that's why. Looking nice and juicy. You get some of that skin. It smells so good. Put that macaroni salad right there. Bon appetit. Oh, I can almost feel like my mom, my granny, and my sister, my cousins, like they're all around. Sauce is so good. Personally, I prefer to still see the barbecue sauce a little red, just like how this is. If you want to go longer in the broiler, by all means do that if you like the kind of more charred kind of skin. This is perfect for me. Macaroni salad is clean. That parsley adds a nice little zip to it. So good, so delicious, and so easy. Where are my manners? Why am I talking with my mouth full? Let me chew. All right, so my mother told me not to eat when I have food in my mouth, and I want to eat this food. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Special thanks to our friends at Cuisine and Waitrose Rose for sponsoring this video. Cuisine and Waitrose Rose products can be found at all Massey stores nationwide. And until next time, keep your Sunday lunches lit. Do something for your family. Cook together, laugh together, enjoy together, be together. And I'll see you next time. Bye. I can't laugh at my own jokes. Can I say that again? I think it's every time I rewatch it and I laugh at my own jokes. Are you still filming? But okay. So my mom, she really likes her barbecue sauce extra sweet. So I put a little extra sugar off camera in, and my producer's looking at me like, okay, that's real sweet. But what can I say? Sweetness of sweetness.
You can't help it.
I honestly, I need to stop laughing at my own jokes.